Okay guys, now this is a really exciting feature that we just developed recently. We just found out that we can actually charge the SuperBase Pro using a very commonly seen Type 1 or Type 2 EV charger. You can find it in any EV charging stations in the US or in Europe or anywhere in the world. There are literally hundreds of thousands of charging stations like this in the world. So that means you can recharge your SuperBase Pro on the go anywhere you want. So now I'm going to show you. So this is a typical Type 1 EV charger. We just use this adapter, this Type 1 to AC outlet here. So it's really simple, plugging, and then you can plug in the AC cable here. Then you plug in the AC input here. Okay, and we also have a European version. This is a typical Type 2 to AC EU version adapter. So now let's see, have a look. It's coming up. How much? 400, 500, 600, 700, 8, 9, 1000, 1100, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1500 watts. Okay.